Engineering technology is rapidly transforming the landscape of education, equipping students with the skills and mindset necessary to thrive in an increasingly complex, technology-driven world. Integrating engineering technology into curricula goes beyond teaching students how to use tools or software. It fosters problem-solving abilities, creativity, and adaptability, qualities essential for the next generation of innovators. Modern classrooms are embracing hands-on learning experiences such as robotics, 3D printing, and coding to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application. These experiences encourage students to experiment, collaborate, and iterate, mirroring the processes found in professional engineering environments. By engaging in project-based learning, students not only grasp core scientific and mathematical concepts, but also develop critical thinking and teamwork skills. Educators play a pivotal role in this transformation by serving as facilitators and mentors. They guide students through open-ended challenges, encourage exploration, and help them navigate setbacks, instilling resilience and a growth mindset. Professional development opportunities ensure that teachers remain current with emerging technologies and pedagogical strategies, enabling them to create dynamic, relevant learning environments. Furthermore, partnerships between schools, industry, and higher education institutions are vital. Such collaborations provide students with access to cutting-edge resources, mentorship, and real-world perspectives, preparing them for future careers in STEM fields. These connections also help align educational outcomes with workforce needs, ensuring that graduates possess the competencies required by employers. As technology continues to evolve, so too must educational approaches. By embedding engineering technology into education, we empower students to become active creators, critical thinkers, and lifelong learners, ready to tackle the challenges and seize the opportunities of tomorrow's world.